Good day, grade 9 students. So this time I will teach you on how to find the discriminant and nature of roots of quadratic equation. So what is discriminant? So it is used to determine the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. So what is the discriminant formula? So discriminant formula is written as D stands for the discriminant is equal to B squared minus 4AC. So that is the discriminant formula. So we'll find the discriminant of the following quadratic equations using the discriminant formula. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. We also have 5x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. We also have 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0. And we have x squared plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, we'll have the first example. So using the discriminant formula, find the discriminant of this quadratic equation. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. So the first thing that we should do is find the values of a, b, and c. So what is the value of a? So that is 1. And the value of b, so that is 6, and the value of c, that is 9. And after that, substitute on the formula. So you have d is equal to, your b is what? 6. So you have 6 squared minus, just copy 4, then our a is 1, and then c is positive 9. After that, simplify. So you have d is equal to 6 squared. That means 6 times 6, you have 36. And then 4 times 1 is 4 times 9 is 36. You have minus 36. So you have d is equal to 36 minus 36 is 0. Okay, so therefore the discriminant here is 0. Next, we have the second example. 5x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So what is the value of a? So that is the numerical coefficient of x squared. So you have 5. And what is the value of b? So that is negative 3. And the value of c is positive 2. After that, substitute on the formula. So we have d is equal to, our b is negative 3 squared minus 4 times our a is 5 times 2, that is the c. So you have to simplify that. So you have negative 3 squared, so that means negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. And you have 4 times 5 is 20 times 2 is 40. So you have minus 40. Then simplify or perform the operation. 9 minus 40. So you have negative 31. So in our number 2 example, the discriminant is negative 31. Okay, we'll have the another one. So number 3. So you have 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0. So what is the value of a here? So that is 2. The value of b is 3. And the value of c is negative 2. And after that, substitute again on the formula. So you have d is equal to, our b is 3. So you have 3 squared minus 4. Our a is 2. And then our c is negative 2. And after that, simplify. So you have d is equal to, what is 3 squared? That is 3 times 3. So you have 9. And you have negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16. And perform the operation. 9 plus 16. So that is what? Positive 25. Okay. Next, we'll have another one, the last example. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. So what is the value of a? So that is 1. Then the value of b is 4. And the value of c is 2. And next, you have d is equal to, what is b? So that is 4. So you have 4 squared minus 4. Our A is 1 and our C is 2. So you have D is equal to, can simplify that one, 4 squared, that means 4 times 4. So the answer is 16. Then negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. So you have 16 minus 8. So you have D is equal to positive 8. So the discriminant here is positive 8. Okay, so next we will find out the nature of the roots. Okay, so we have the following. So if D is equal to 0, pag yung discriminant natin is 0, then the nature of the roots are rational and equal. If D is less than 0, ano ibig sabihin yan? If yung discriminant natin is negative, then the roots are imaginary, parang si Crush, okay? Joke. Okay, if D is greater than 0 and a perfect square, ano ibig sabihin yan? If yung discriminant natin ay positive and then perfect squares, ano yung mga perfect square numbers? So we have 1, we have 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, we have 49, we have 64, we have 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225, and so on. Therefore, the nature of the roots are rational and unequal if yun yung discriminant natin. How about if positive siya but then not a perfect square? So ano yung nature of the roots? Irrational and unequal. Okay, balik tayo doon sa answers natin kanina. Okay, sa number 1, tingnan ninyo. What is the discriminant? So D is equal to 0. So pag D is equal to 0, therefore, ang nature of the roots natin dito ay rational and equal. Okay. Next, sa number 2. Ano ba yung sagot natin sa number 2? So that is negative 31. So ano yung nature of the roots pag negative? So that is imaginary. Ito yon. If this less than 0 or negative, then the roots are imaginary. Okay. How about yung nasa number 3 and number 4? Okay. So number 3 is, the answer is, the discriminant is positive 25. Perfect square ba yung 25? Yes. So therefore, ang nature of the roots dito ay rational and unequal. Next, sa number 4 naman, D is equal to 8. So that is positive, pero hindi siya perfect square. So therefore, ang nature of the roots natin dito ay irrational and unequal. Okay? So, that's all for discriminant and nature of the roots. So, this is Teacher Vivian. Thank you and God bless.